Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix transfer directly from iPhone not working with two common ways. The first way is to hard reset iPhone. For iPhone 6s or earlier with home button, you can press and hold the home and power buttons together. Then release the buttons until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, you can press and hold the volume down button and the power buttons together. Keep holding them until the Apple logo appears, then release the buttons until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 8 or later, you can quickly press the volume up button, and then quickly press the volume down button. Then press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Another effective way is to use iSumsoft iOS Refixer to fix any iOS problem leading to transfer directly from iPhone not working. Now, go to iSumsoft official website. Download and install iSumsoft iOS Refixer on your Windows computer. Make sure the latest version of iTunes is installed on the computer. Then launch iSumsoft iOS Refixer. When the software opens, choose Standard Mode to fix your iPhone without data loss. Then click Start to continue. Make sure the iPhone is connected to your computer. Then set iPhone into recovery mode. iSumsoft iOS Refixer will immediately detect your iPhone and load its model information. Now you can click Download to download the firmware package for your iPhone. Then click Repair to start fixing iPhone. After that, iPhone will automatically restart, and this time you may transfer data directly from iPhone to iPhone without any problem. If you are looking for an easier way to directly transfer data from iPhone to iPhone, iSumsoft Backup 2 can be the best choice. Now, go to iSumsoft official website. Download and install iSumsoft Backup 2 on your Windows computer. Make sure the latest version of iTunes is installed on the computer. Then connect both iPhones to your PC using Apple USB cables. Open iSumsoft Backup to on your PC. Select the transfer option on the left sidebar. In the drop-down menu on the left, select the iPhone from which you want to transfer data as the source iPhone. In the drop-down menu on the right, select the other iPhone as the target iPhone. Once you've confirmed your iPhones, click Transfer. Tick all the files you want to transfer to the other iPhone. Then click Transfer Now. When you receive the message, data migration is successful. All data has been transferred from the first iPhone to the second iPhone. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.